All right, guys, on the 8th day of Wigmas, my wig base gave to me a kitten under the tree. Okay, so first and foremost, I really want to say thank you to Melanin Kit Kat, Cat with a C, for coming through and showing love and doing this collaboration, this holiday glam collaboration with me. I love Cat. I love Cat for so many reasons, but one of them was one day I was scrolling and I thought it was a picture of me and it was a picture of her slaying a wig, okay? And coming all the way through. And we've been calling each other twin ever since. And I really do love her spirit. She is such a fairy. Y'all know how I feel about the fairies. She is such a fairy. She has such an ethereal spirit, and I appreciate her showing love to our channel, coming through, collaborating with me, and helping me grow our support group. And I really do love her for that. One thing about this entire Wigmas is that it was so much fun collaborating with Black women and creating content for you guys and just doing it with the spirit in mind, okay? So if you take nothing from Wigmas, girls support girls. Put a big period on that. Women support women and move that forward. Let's do that. Let's pay it forward, okay? So if you see a young lady that need help today, help her out, okay? And let's get into this unit. We are back for Wigmas Day 8, and I am here with another one from the UNice Hair. Okay, so we are coming through with a Merry Christmas from the UNice, and I am super excited about that. I have for you guys today a 24-inch body wave frontal unit. Look at that. Get into that pre-plucked hairline, honey. You can see right through that, okay? She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. She also has lace in the back with adjustable straps for kind of forever. Just get into that. Okay, she's really beautiful. I'm just going to throw her on so you guys can see what she's looking like. I'm just tightening it up. I'm just going to throw her on to see what you guys feel about her. All right, guys, let's get on into this UNice Hair long body wave human hair wig. Okay, now she is pre-plucked and she has baby hairs, if you cannot tell. So this unit is currently 150% density. She's 13x4 lace front, and I have her in 24 inches, and she's going for just under $320. So she's a little bit up there, but that's because Mother provides inches. Now I'm just going in with my Bold Hold liquid gold and laying this lace down. You know, you got to put Mother all the way to sleep. Santa's coming, so we got to be ready, okay? So this unit is super fire. What I enjoyed most about it is the hairline. This unit is super lightweight, and I appreciate that. Now the texture of the hair is rather silky. That was disconcerting at first, but she takes curl very well, and she really does give a nice, sexy, bouncy look. So I won't hold that against her, because sometimes super silky units can start to look greasy and stringy, but that's not at all what this is giving me. She is 24 inches all the way through, and I think that makes a huge difference. Now, I have a very small head, but this unit does feel relatively snug. I did have to Wakanda Forever my straps in the back, but that we all know that's because my head is a little bit tiny. So I do think that this is such a universal unit. UNice Hair has wonderful selection, so don't get caught up in the fact that this one is $320, just under $320. Make sure you guys take a look at their website and get on into what they have to provide, okay? Because it's not just these laces, even though this one is absolutely positively fire. It's not just this. They have way more to offer. I want you guys, when you're laying your lace, to take your time. And this is a new thing that I'm doing, is that I'm keeping my lace on until I actually get everything laid down and stuck to my mammy Tam head, okay? It just makes it easier for me to navigate whether or not she's actually laid down or if it's my goddamn imagination, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm just going to go on through and lay my edges. I'm just going to go on in and curl this up because I want to give Mother Cat the respect that she deserves. She done came all the way over here from Beauty with Cat, and we want to make sure she feel welcome with a bomb ass slap. All right, guys, I'm super obsessed with UNiceHair Hair. They came through. I was able with this stunning lace to do a half up, half down style that I'm super here for. I really cannot get enough of this. This hair did not tangle. She didn't do too much shedding. It did not give me any issues. Oh, sorry. She didn't do too much shedding. I felt like the texture of this hair is super silky, okay? But it's nice and silky. She feels relatively thick. And she's 24 inches throughout, and I appreciate that. Like, the ends don't get, like, frizzy and nasty, and I love that, too. But the lace really provided. Let me just make my little edges. But the lace really provided, and that for that reason, I really don't have much else to say. I got her in a half up, half down. This is her to the side. I showed you guys her in the middle. I would like to thank the BeautyWCat for coming through and collaborating with us on our last day of Wigmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this series and you had fun with me as much as I've had fun with you guys. Come on back. I'll be having more wigs all throughout the new year. And I am so glad that we were able to do this. I hope you all have a very safe and loving holiday, whichever you celebrate. Be with your family, hug, have good times, and be safe, okay? I love you guys. Thank you for joining Wigmas this year. Bye.